Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video we are going to learn what are dictionaries in Python with examples. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, as you can see that I am on Google Colab workspace where you can write and execute your Python program online. So let's start this tutorial by making a dictionary. For example, if I declare a variable here like student info stands for information, and here you have to type this curly bracket and I will press enter to structure my code. And for example, here I will type name and Fahim, then I will type comma, and here I will type designation web developer, and for example here I will type age 30 years. Okay, age 30, that's it. So in list we directly store values and index is given by automatically. For example, if you have three values in your list, let's example this is your list 1 2 like name and some data. For example, this is my list which contain three values, but their index is given by default. The first value will contain index 0, the second value will contain index 1, and similarly 2, 3 and so on. But in a dictionary we specify the key and value by ourselves. So you can see that you can also define here like 1 and its value would be 100. So you can see that this is just a random value. You can also define your keys and values by yourself. So this is called dictionary in Python. In Python dictionary, you cannot create two keys of same name. For example, as you can see, the name key is already exist in my dictionary. If I'll try to create another one and name this FindGap, so this will be override this. There can be same value. For example, if I type here like another underscore name and colon Fahim, and now if I print my dictionary and execute my program, okay, there is an error. Now again let me execute my program. You can see that name FindGap, designation web developer, age 30, and another name is Fahim, but this key is ignored. It means that you cannot create two keys with same name, but you can store same values in different keys in dictionary. And dictionary is mutable. It means that you can change their content later. If you want to remove any item from your dictionary on runtime, you can do that. If you want to modify the value of any dictionary key, you can do that. Now for example, I'm again going to remove this data. If you want to access single data from your dictionary, what you will do, you will type your dictionary name and type here like this, age. If I execute my program, in the answer you can see that in the output you can see the 30 is printing, which is the value of age inside our dictionary. If you want to modify the value, I will simply type here student info age is equal to like 50, and now if I execute the program, you can see that this dictionary data has been updated. If you want to remove any item from your dictionary, what you will do, you will type here del your dictionary name, and inside these brackets you will type your key here, and let me remove this so we can print our complete dictionary again. If I execute my program, you can see that the age key and value is deleted from our dictionary. If you want to check either a specific key exists in your dictionary or not, what you will do, I will type here if name in student info, then simply print your specific key exists in the dictionary. If I execute the program, you can see that your specific key exists in the dictionary because name key is exists inside our dictionary. For example, if I type here father name or like any other key which is not exist, you can see that nothing is happening because this if will not print anything because name double e is not exist in our this dictionary. So friends, this was the basic concept of dictionary in Python, and you can obviously learn more about it on the internet. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.